Okay, guys and gals, about 10 seconds of the obligatory disclaimer. If you want to read the whole thing, just pause the video. Okay, everybody, quick video. Stock market crash. There, I said it. Why do I believe that? MACD rolling over. Monthly chart, guys and gals. S&P 500. These are the futures. June 2020, 2022 futures. I'm looking at a monthly chart. 3 dots. We got divergence warnings. We got the MACD just starting to cross over. Okay. Long-term look here. I think that's June, if I remember right. Yeah, June 28th. But on a monthly chart, don't try to nail down to a day or even a week or even a month. Just understand that, in this area right here, extremely dangerous time. That's out into September. Could go a little longer. This is April, which we're in now. Guys, we're going this way. And I see 3,700 happening probably pretty easily. And it could come down even further. I know, people are going to say, when? Well, I just said anywhere in this time zone, okay? From April out to September, could even be later into the year. Okay? You don't want to be holding equities. If you're a swing trader, an investor, and you're holding stock, this is my opinion, liquidate it. Get out. Now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now. You want to be in cash. If you're trading commodities or futures, okay, you can take advantage of those commodities and futures in either direction. You can continue to trade. Okay? But equities are garbage. Equities and bonds right now both look absolutely horrible. All the signs are the same signs we had in 2008 are happening now, but much worse. Look at this elevation. Look how high the MACD is. Look at this. Sitting way up here at 433. Who ever heard of such craziness? Even right now, it's sitting at 351. That's nuts. I don't think I've ever seen the MACD that high in the history ever. What's this over here? 136. I looked at this chart before many times, okay? Look at this one over here. 127, 118. Forget about it. It's never been this high, ever. Ever. As in ever since S&P 500 has been tracked. We've never seen the MACD this high. So the fact that the MACD is crossing over on the monthly chart, coming off of all-time MACD highs, oh yeah, crash, boom, bang. It's coming. And it's going to be huge, and it's going to be epic. And I also think there's going to be some serious market manipulation. I think retail traders are going to be blocked from trading. They're going to pull all kinds of shenanigans. I think it's going to happen. You're going to see major brokers doing the old, you can't trade right now nonsense. It's all going to happen, guys. They're going to pull out all the stops. They're going to prevent retail traders from being able to sell. They're going to make sure everybody loses billions of dollars, tens of billions, maybe trillions of dollars are going to be lost. Okay? So do yourself a favor. Liquidate. Don't try to time it. Don't try to get some last little profit. Liquidate. Yeah, you may be sitting there for weeks, maybe even a few months. It's hard to say exactly when. But I'm telling you right now, people are going to get caught out. They're going to get caught out huge. This is no joke. This will happen. These dots right here don't lie. This doesn't lie. This is not lying. This is not a lie. There's too many things going on. We're coming down into the monthly cycle. Okay? It's going to happen, guys and gals. I subscribe to a very expensive, and I mean expensive, subscription service. And they monitor the strength of sectors. They have some very sophisticated software, okay? And they monitor sector strength. And the sectors look like crap. Okay? And one of the main guys, there's 2 or 3 guys on this team. And They're just crazy accurate. Crazy. In addition to my own analysis, these guys are crazy accurate. 2008, they nailed it. The COVID, they nailed it. And they put out I'm on their email list. I got an email today saying liquidate. It's rare for them to say liquidate. Rare. Okay, these guys aren't willy-nilly. They manage a lot of money, okay? They manage buku bucks. They manage huge swaths of money in many accounts, right? And they've liquidated almost everything. They have all their account holders in cash. Okay, they know it's coming. And I'm looking at this chart and I know it's coming. Do yourself a favor. In my opinion, because that's what this video is, liquidate all equities. Liquidate them, get them out of your account, sit in cash. If you can trade commodities, fine, that's a different story. Okay, let me look at the weekly here. Whatever you're seeing me do here for the S&P 500, it applies to the NASDAQ. It applies to the Russell. It applies to the Dow Jones. Nothing is immune. No, there isn't going to be some sector you can run to and hide. It doesn't exist. It's not going to happen. It will all be bad. And no, this isn't some gloom and doom video. I'm just simply telling you like it is. Okay, I want to try to keep this video really short because I got other stuff to do. Let's look at the weekly here. Long term only, yeah? What is this right here? It's probably May 8th. August 28th. Look at this, guys. Look at this. All the way going back. Look at this. Look at this. You know what this area right here is, right? This is the transition into a huge decline. Huge. Okay? We're not over here anymore in this profit time. This is done. Forget it. Forget about it. We're in the crossover to... Now, this is a weekly chart, so it's going to play out much longer, eh? Okay. That's it. I'm not going to cover daily and hourly stuff. We already did that earlier in the week, okay? You know my thoughts on that. Okay, this is strictly long term. The monthly chart looks absolutely horrid. It is horrible. This stock market is likely to return and come back down to the 50. It could be here, it could be here, it could be out here, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I need to switch this over to the monthly here. Okay. So I do think 3,700 is very plausible, and it could go below the 50-month moving average. Okay, so there it is, short, sweet, to the point. We will have a huge decline, and the further we move into the future, summertime, fall, whatever, okay, the probability of this happening is going to increase. The MACD is not lying to us. There it is. That's all I got to say. God bless everybody. Have a great day. Protect your assets. Don't be a chump. Liquidate.